I've got a really cool accessory here that will actually save you so much time and bring a lot more versatility into your projects. So if you've got any action camera, you would know the issues of having to constantly unscrew, re-screw in the mounting piece here, attach it to a new piece, attach it to a new one. It's just relatively time consuming, right? And it's a little bit annoying at times. So with this, which is called Snap Mounts Pro, you can actually mount to multiple different options at any point without having any issues. And it works with this magnetic clamping system. So this is the camera that I have attached right now, but I've got these little plates on different accessories. You can see this one over here is moving as I'm getting close because it is a magnet. So I've got a mounting plate on a selfie stick and also a mounting plate on a head cam. And then as I flip the camera, you'll see that I also have this mounting plate around my neck. So I've kind of had to go around my neck a couple of times to set this up in a way that it's at a decent height. But now what I can do is as I put it underneath my shirt, so I can literally get the camera with the magnetic plate, and I've got it now underneath here, clip it straight on, and now I've got it mounted literally as a chest mount. I can then pull it off and then go to the next accessory. It's honestly so cool. And this piece here in particular is really cool because it's more of a secure mounting option. There's kind of these little teeth here. So as you put it in, you have to actually put it in on an angle. So you put it down like that and then twist, and it locks it in and secures it so it won't pull off. So if you've got any sort of risky scenario where you are trying to be mindful of how much vibration and movement's happening, this just ensures that you're even more secured, right? So for me, I've got it on the head mount because I could be jogging and bouncing around. So this is gonna secure it even more and make sure that there's less movement in my footage. All right, so now what we're gonna do is show you a real world scenario of when you wanna swap between the different mounting options. So right now I've got it on kind of like a head mounting rig. So it's pointing down and I can just kind of do my own thing like you would with a soccer ball, you know? Got a different perspective. That was a bit silly. There we go. Right, and then I'm like, okay, I'm done with that. I want to go over to this system. So all you have to do is just twist it, because this one's that more sturdy mounting option. So you twist it, pull it off like so, and then I've got another option here. Slap it on, and then I'm straight into a different perspective. Still recording the whole time, so I can, you know, switch between the different systems, which is always very handy. So now I can just, you know, have more of that kind of handy cam mounted option as you're moving between whatever it is that you're doing. And then I can kind of switch it back if I need to and do one of these ones. So you can see it's nice and simple to swap between the options. And then if, for example, I want to go with the chest mount, I can disconnect it, slap it straight on to my chest mount, and now I've got a different perspective, and you can see how simple it is to swap between all of those perspectives within a few seconds. So it's one of those things, you just have so many options. Oh, beautiful. And then what I can do again, let's just show one more swap. You just take it off because it's a mounting option, right? It's just a mounting rig. Pull it off like so. Slap it straight on to this guy. And again, that's simple to swap between all those options instead of having to unscrew and mount to the other accessories like you would have to with all of the other options out there. This is a magnetic alternative, which makes it that simple to just go straight back to a different perspective. So simple, and I love this.